is a 2008 Toyota Camry. We're going to replace the spark plugs, so stay tuned. And also, if this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, like and share so we can help more people. And let's continue. All right, so we're going to start with this hose here. Next, we're going to remove the intake. So I just put the penetrating oil there. And now we're gonna remove all the screws from the intake manifold. So there's one bolt here that you have to remove under the throttle body at the back, so you have to remove that. And there's also one bolt on the left side, also the back. I'll show it to you in a minute. So it's right there. It's really hard to reach, but you have to feel it to remove it right there. And after that, you should be able to pop the intake manifold. Just be careful because there are some hoses here, as you can see. And you don't have to unplug all the hoses, just do it like the way I just did. And make sure you cover the hole here for the intake. You don't want to drop something here. So now we're going to unplug the coil. It's already exposed. So you're gonna free up some brackets here because it's a little bit tight. Give some space. see this coil that at the back is still original. It seems like nobody's been here since when this car is new, because of people don't want to do this kind of job because it's a lot for them. So what they did is just replace the front spark plugs. And in this case, on this car, they didn't replace the spark plug, the right kind of a spark plug. You will see later that this spark plug is mixed up with other brands. And as you can see, that these spark plugs are really old and worn out. One of the reasons that I'm replacing this spark plug, because this car has a misfire issue, and I find that the owner has never been replaced the spark plug at the back, only in the front, because it's easy. See how now here, you can see how wide the gap is, and oil and everything. As you can see, it's rusty. That spark plug has been sit there for forever. So I understand people want to save money, but doing this is not gonna cost them saving money. They're just even actually spend more, because of it will break not only the spark plug, soon it will break the coil, and so on. And we're gonna have a dominoes effect, but the people don't understand that how you can see this one. Look, see how important it is to maintain the car properly. So now I'm going to remove the front. It's just sad because people try to save money. They don't want to do maintenance properly because they want to save money. But they think they're saving, but it's not really. Look at this. This is a aftermarket coil. You see, it's the rubber. It's popping out. It's locked behind into the spark plug. See, I have to pull it with the pliers, because that's how cheap that coil is. So here's the front. It says iridium. And see, this is like champion spark plug. It's mixed up. The guy only even changed one spark plug, not even all three has changed, or two. There you go, 2 spark plug is replaced. Couldn't even replace 3. Can you imagine? So this is the problem, right? People try to save up, and in the wrong way. They actually ending paying more. So now I'm putting the new spark plug. As you can see, this is all iridium, original spark plug used. That's it. Put the coil back and put the intake back. Basically the installation is just reverse of how you remove it. So be careful when you tighten these intake manifold bolts. Just tighten them lightly. Don't go aggressive with this because it's plastic. You don't want to end up cracking the plastic. So it's too much tight, right? So just make sure you don't tighten this so aggressively. Put the bolt back at the back. Next, start putting the hoses, vacuum hoses, wires, plugs. Now here's the intake. Put some lube here just to make it slide easy. That's that. Now I'm going to tighten some bolts, clamps. Make sure you don't miss anything here. Double check before you start the car. So now I'm putting a new spark plug on the front side. And also make sure you don't over tighten your spark plug. You don't want to strip the thread, especially on aluminum block. I've seen people do too tight and it strip the thread, and you don't want to be there. That's it. Put the cable back. That's pretty much done. And please, if this video helpful, consider to subscribe, like, share this video so we can help more people and we can make more video in the future. So I'm putting a tie wrap here on the plug because the clip was broken. So just insert the top clip, the tie wrap, and it will help to clamp it. So put the hose back, the vacuum tube. Tight all the clamps. And that's it, let's start. There we go. Everyone's perfect now. Before it was misfire.